Guys, ito naman yung part 1. Kira at Josh tinanong ang housemate kung ano ang natutunan nila sa PBB. Kaya i-play na natin to. Okay, bilang tayo guys in 3, 2, 1, go. So, here we go. Grabe, sobrang happy nila, no? Saya? Si Josh. Miss na miss ni Kira si Kwan, no? Si AZ. Saya lang eh. Ay,
Wala na napapaalam sa akin. Kamusta tayo? Lala.
Grabe yung love team of the year namin ba?
Okay lang, tara, upo tayo. Upo tayo guys, tara. Here.
I would like watch Kira and Josh gonna lock arms with me. I hate you!
Grabe. Ingay eh. Kinuha na yung akin.
Di mo na ako
Uy, this so good ah. So good ah. Oh my God. Boy. Oh my God.
Nakakainis din ako. Asawa ko. Ganon. Nakakainis.
Kira, ang ganda.
Oh my God, my God.
Grabe.
Nabo ka?
Ha? Ay, pare. I had to act good seeing you, bro. The show? I know.
Luwag na. Matching kayo.
You are so strong, okay? Listen to me. You don't need me, okay?
She needs you. I'll call you right away. Kita agad tayo pagkalabas. Please. Alam mo na. Literally. You're the only one there.
Damn, bro.
So proud of you. So proud of you.
I am rooting for all of you.
Oh, yung docs mo, bro. Sit.
Yeah, Josh. Time to go.
I hate you. Not the bracelets, bro. Kakainis yung anog ko. Gusto ko. And the speed. Nakakainis yung sapatos. I hate you, Josh.
Bagay sila.
Oh, guys, ingat kayo.
Stop crying. Ayaw mo
Oh,
na.
group up. Isa lang. Group up. Let's go, guys. We have to go.
I'll stop crying. Come here.
Okay? Ingat kayo.
Love you guys. PBB collab on 3.
1, 2, 3.
It's okay to lose. Sa labas sobrang, for sure, everyone. Sobrang competitive. Pero,
Kami lang.
Bakit gumagano pa yun?
anyway,
Nakakainis.
I'm so sorry.
grabe.
Go.
Anyway, I'm sure lahat dito competitive, especially sa labas. Pero dito natutunan namin mag-compromise ng pagiging competitive namin para magparaya, at saka para tanggapin na sa buhay natatalo din. That's nice. That's really nice.
Okay.
Ikaw naman.
Ikot naman tayo.
Pero I learned how, paano ba? Dami kasi, pero siguro na-discover ko na I could love this much in this capacity. Parang isa-isa kasi sila, I fell in love with each and every one of them. Talagang alam ko yung strengths nila, yung weaknesses nila, and with all of that talagang, wala, I'm just so in love with everyone here, and I didn't know I could ever do that in this lifetime. So, yun yung isa sa mga natutunan ko.
How to love.
How to love.
Ganda nun. Ganda nun. Ikaw naman, Dustin.
Ganda.
Baka meron ka bang gustong
Stops. Ano na?
Ako, honestly, marami ako natutunan talaga dito. But, siguro isa sa pumasok sa isip ko yung pagiging matatag Kasi pumasok ako dito ng, I'll be honest, mahina. Tapos eventually, natutunan kong maging matatag. And yung dreams natin ay hindi yan nahihinto sa isang bagay. Pwede tayo mangarap at mangarap. So, yun din yung natutunan ko dito.
Okay. Thank you, Dustin.
Of course.
Ikaw naman.
It's really not to waste a single second. Kasi, again, you never know when it could all get taken away from us. Thankfully, I was given the opportunity, again,
Come back.
to be here. So, it really means a lot to me to spend every single second, every single moment with these people kasi I wasn't supposed to be here anymore. We were supposed to be together outside. So, I'm very lucky, I'm very happy na I was given the chance again to be with these wonderful people and reach this far into the journey of PBB. So, very happy.
Wow!
Happy for you, Ralph.
Grabe yung pag nila, no? Yung pag-grow nila. Ang dami nilang lesson na natutunan sa inside of Big Brother house. Di ba?